sila? Okay, pares. Palapit, palapit, palapit. Palapit, gid. Oh, sa pares. Not like that. Oh. Sulang mo sa ilo. Oh. Sa ilo. Wala pares sa kwan. Fib John. Kulang wala pares si kwan. Fib John. Kulang dia ya gift ya. Hindi na ya pwede magkulang ya. Oh, pamati. O, ara ka. Oh, ready. Pamati. The title of this activity is Exchanging Gifts. Kung mapatian nyo gani ang tinaga nga Christmas, ang inyong nga gift, bayluhanay sa tubangan ninyo. Bayluhanay ka mo nga duwa. Okay, Christmas. Bayluhanay. Bayluhanay ka mo nga duwa. Okay. Kung magsiling gani nga left, ipasa ang gift to your left. So, wala mo nga tawo. Ha? Okay, ginaistorya ko palang naya sa inyo. Kung magsiling naman ako nga right, isa pa, sa iluhon nyo naman ang sa right, sa right mo si Juanito. Okay. Na, okay? Ready? Wala na try out. Ano ha? Grade 1, section 11. Wala na try out. This is a story of how you're going to exchange gifts. Ready? Exchanging gifts. It's Christmas time again. May luanay ka muna. Time to forget our woes and cares that should be left behind. And better, left in the past. Christmas is just right around the corner. Sa totoo naman, right. Therefore, oo, pagambal ko nga Christmas, baylo. Oh, pagsiling ko nga, is just right around the corner, saylo sa totoo. Therefore, it is right to make our hearts beat for the right reason, for the right time, always. Okay, stop na. Mate. Stop na! Ipa-stop ko lang agad next. Christmas, baylo naman, is a season of love, peace, and joy. No moment must be left unused to express the right feelings of love that we have for each other. Right now, some people want to right the wrongs they made. We may also want to make right our own mistakes, and there is no right time than Christmas time to do it. Isn't it right? Indeed, it is always right that as we remember and celebrate the season of Christmas, the birth of our Lord Jesus, the wrongs must be left in the past, and the right feelings and deeds must remain. By this, wala pa, all right things will fall in the right places at the right moment in our lives. Now, greet the person to your left. After ang imo gift, Merry Christmas! I was saying. And the one to your right. should be left out. Nobody is left uncared for. Let us write in our faces the joy. Let our eyes write the feelings of love. And let true peace be with us always. Last, Merry Christmas! Kaya na. Now, if the gift is closed, open your gifts. Oh, amo na siya. Amo naman na suong ang bago nga trend mag-exchange gift. Lain. Naman ikaw naman na pampang. Aw, sus. Okay na?